Okay, class 12. We are continuing the chapter exercise 6A, method of substitution, integration part. Okay. Now, exam number up to sum number 19 done the previous video. Next, sum number 20. Integral 1 plus log x whole square by x dx. Okay. What we will take log x to substitute, that means put log x is equals to z. d dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay, so 1 by x dx is equals to dz. Okay, see, 1 by x dx already existing there. Instead of that, we'll just put only dz. Therefore, I is equals to what we will write, and 1 plus log x means 1 plus z whole square. Okay, so it's coming 1 plus z whole square, and 1 by x dx is again dz only. Okay, if you want, you can expand this 1 plus z whole square as 1 square plus 2z plus z to z square, and then separate all the integrals, or you can take one, you can do in this way also. 1 plus z is equal to u, therefore dz is equal to du. Okay, now this is coming 1 plus z means u square, dz means du. This is coming only u cube by 3 plus c. U means we have taken u as 1 plus z, so it's coming 1 plus z whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay, now 1 plus z, z means log x, so we will write 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay, now this is the answer. Always anyhow try to do the sum in with substitution form. Okay, then only the sum will be easier for you. Let me rub this part. Next, sum number 24. Sum number 24. Integral x plus cot x cot square x dx. Okay, put x plus cot x is equals to z. d dx of x is 1 and d dx of cot x is minus cosec square x. So write here minus cosec square x, and this is dx is equals to dz. Okay, therefore I is equals to x plus cot x, write the same form, and instead of cot square x we will write cosec square x minus 1. Okay, so take common minus here, then minus outside the integral, so it is coming x plus cot x, and 1 minus cosec square x dx is equal to dz directly write. Okay, and x plus cot x we have taken as z, so minus integral z dz. You can write x plus cot x instead of x plus cot x is equal to z, so write here minus z dz. So it's coming minus z squared by 2 plus c. Okay, so minus z means x plus cot x whole square by 2 plus c. Okay, this is sum number 24 done. Next, sum number 26. What is the question? Integral 1 plus cot x whole divided by x plus log sin x dx. Okay, now let us put the denominated part, that is x plus log sin x is equals to z. Okay, d dx of x is 1 and d dx of log x is 1 by x, it will be 1 by sin x Okay, then ddx of sin x is cos x by chain rule. So it is coming dx is equal to dz, which this is equals to 1 plus cot x dx is equals to dz. Okay, now 1 plus cot x are existing there. Therefore, integral I 1 plus cot x dx is equal to dz. So write here dz, and x plus log sin x we have taken as z. So write here z. So integral 1 by z dz is again log z plus c. Log, what is z? Z here, x plus log sin x plus c. This will be the answer. This is sum number 26 done. Next sum number 27. Integral e to the power x cos square e to the power x dx. Okay. Now put e to the power x is equal to z. Therefore, e to the power x is e to the power x dx is equal to dz. Now, e to the power x dx existing there, instead of e to the power x, directly we will put dz, and cos square e to the power x, instead of e to the power x, we will put only z. So, it is coming cos square z. So, therefore, I is equal to cos square z, and this is dz. Cos square z, this is dz. Now, make it 2 cos square z. Why? Because directly cos square z formula is not there. It is not the standard form of integration. So at first we have to find the standard form. So 2 cos square z. Okay. Now look. We know cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. This formula we did in class 11. Now cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. We need to find in terms of only cos square x. So write here cos square x minus, what is the formula? Sin square x is 1 minus cos square x is equal to cos 2x. So it is coming 2 cos square x minus 1 is equal to cos 2x. Okay. Therefore, 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, this formula we know. 2 cos square x, only to get this formula, we have just multiplied by half, and here also multiplied by 2. So, half into 2, it gives us only 1. So, this remains the same. So, only formation changed. Value not changed, only the formation changed. So, 2 cos square z, instead what we will write now? 1 plus cos 2z. Integral 1 plus cos 2z dz. Okay, now half integral dz plus half integral cos 2z dz. Integral dz means only z, so it is coming z by 2 plus half. Integral cos mx. What is the formula of integral cos mx? Cos mx is sin mx by m. So it is coming sin 2z by 2 plus c. Okay. Now z we have taken as e to the power x. So write here e to the power x by 2 plus this is coming 1 by 4 sin 2 e to the power x plus c. This will be the answer. Sin 2 e to the power x. Understood? Next sum number 28. Okay. Next sum number 28. What is written? Integral e to the power 1 by x into 1 by x square dx. Put 1 by x is equal to z. Then what will write? Minus 1 by 2x square. 1 by x means x to the power minus 1. Okay, x to the power minus 1 means what? X to the power minus 1 means x to the power minus 1 is minus 2 by minus 2. This minus 2 for this only. And x to the power minus 2 means 1 by x square. That is why it is minus 1 by 2x square dx is equal to dz. Okay. Therefore, I is equal to, what is I? I will be minus half integral. E to the power 1 by x we have taken as 1 by x as we have taken as z. So, we will write only z. And 1 by x squared dx minus half taken outside. So, instead of only 1 by x squared dx we will put only dz. So, write here dz. Got it? Now, minus half integral e to the power x remains same. So, it is again e to the power z plus c. So, minus half e to the power z means e to the power z we have taken as 1 by x, which is coming 1 by x plus. This will be the answer. Sum number 28 done. Next we will start sum number 30. Sum number 30, this is the last sum for 2 marks questions. Integral cos x plus x sin x whole divided by x into x plus cos x dx. Obviously. Okay. X into x plus cos x in the denominator, and the numerator, what is there? Cos x plus x sin x. Do one thing. Integral, introduce x here. So plus x plus cos x. Okay. Plus x sin x. What is there? X is introduced. Now subtract minus x. Then value won't be changed. Only the formation changed. X plus cos x dx is there. Okay. Now integral x plus cos x and take common minus x. X sin x minus x, take common minus x. Then what we will get here? 1 minus sin x. Okay. Whole divided by x into x plus cos x. Okay. Now just what we will do, this divided by this minus this divided by this. Split integral x plus cos x by x into x plus cos x dx minus integral x into 1 minus sin x whole divided by x into x plus cos x dx. Now here x plus cos x numerator denominator will be cancelled, and this side it will be log x dx by x. So it will be log x only. Minus. Here also x will be cancelled. Okay. Then what we will get? 1 minus sin x whole divided by x plus cos x. Okay. Now for this part only, put x plus cos x is equals to z. ddx of x is 1 and ddx of cos x is minus sin x. So it is coming 1 minus sin x dx is equal to dz. It has become very simple. Now it is coming what? This is coming log x. Already we have got. And here instead of 1 minus sin x dx, what we will write dz? Okay. Whole divided by x plus cos x we have taken as z. So this is coming log x minus, this is again log z plus c. Z what we have taken? Z we have taken as x plus cos x. So log x minus log x plus cos x plus c. Okay. So log n minus log n according to the logarithm rule, what we will write? Log m minus log n is log m by n. So log x by x plus cos x plus c. This is the answer. So all 2 marks questions now completed. Coming with the new video with the 4 marks question.